Homeowners have worked hard to reduce energy bills by wrapping their homes and sealing air leaks. Extra caulking, double-paned windows, and self-sealing doors may save energy dollars, but they've also choked off the necessary ventilation of moisture buildup caused by daily living. Moisture from bathrooms, laundry rooms, and kitchens can now only flow up into the attic space, where it's trapped by inadequate ventilation. And a warm, moist attic is the perfect place for mold to take hold. The answer? American Metal Roof's new high-flow tower vent, specially designed to rapidly evacuate heat and moisture from residential attics. Because of its unique baffled chimney design, when a breeze blows across the vent, suction is created. This suction pulls cooler, drier air in through soffit vents. This air replaces the warm, moist attic air, which is rapidly released by the high-flow tower vent. The cool and dry airflow is continuously maintained by the slightest breeze. As the high-flow tower vent dries the moisture out of the attic insulation, it has several positive effects. Attic temperatures are reduced, saving you air conditioning dollars. In a cool, dry environment, attic mold cannot grow. Drier insulation is more effective, saving you home heating dollars. The high-flow tower vent also eliminates long-term maintenance and is noise-free. It prevents the intrusion of birds and rodents. It prevents wind gust infiltration, and it exchanges air from the attic at a frequency of 418 cubic feet per minute. Enjoy the peace of mind and comfort of a cooler attic in the summer and a drier attic in the winter with an American Metal Roof's high-flow tower vent.